So hello everyone. In this video we are seeing NCERT exercise 6.2 question number 8. Using converse of BPT, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. You are given a triangle ABC. The line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. You take this side, take the midpoint. This is D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. The line joining the midpoint, this is line joining the midpoint. It should be parallel to the third side. This is third side. This is side 1 and this is side 2 and this is side 3. Parallel to the third side அப்படினா அதுதான் converse of BPT. In converse of BPT, if these two ratios are equal, hence by converse of BPT, DE parallel to BC. இதுதான் வந்து ரொம்ப simple problem. So it is given அந்த midpointங்கிற இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So what is given in triangle ABC, AD equal to DB. Why both are equal? Since next AE equal to EC. Reason இதெல்லாம் கூட வேண்டாம். E is the midpointங்கிறனால இந்த செக்மெண்ட் ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எழுதிக்கலாம். Now it is given E is the midpoint. அப்படி கூட எழுதாமல் given கூட எழுதிக்கலாம். நான் ஆல்ரெடி we have written D is the midpoint, E is the midpoint. So just simply you can write given. So AE by EC equal to 1. Mark it as 1 and 2. Since RHS equal, you can equate LHS. So AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So AD by DB equal to AE by EC. So which implies by converse of, if two ratios are equal, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, which is parallel, DE parallel to BC. இந்த வந்து ஈக்குவல் அப்படின்னு வர்றப்போ by converse of BPT, DE parallel to BC.